QLQ company. Today I would like to show you our QLQ automatic plastic zipper shining field sealing machine. For this machine, the output is about 500 meters per hour. And this machine also is our QLQ painting machine. And you can see this is the whole view of the machine. The length is about 1.8 meter and the width is about 0.8 meter and the height is about 1.7 meter. For this machine can produce two size zipper. You can produce number 3 or produce number 5. And this is the control panel. So now I will show you the process. You can see the zippers go through the view and goes into this part. On the upper side, they have the high temperature view. We'll seal the field with the zipper together. So now let's see the final result. You can see the result is very well. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us. See you.